Introducing the CNC Strong Blowing Fan, the perfect solution for keeping your machining area clean and efficient. With powerful adjustable airflow, flexible hose design, and energy-saving performance, it easily removes chips and dust from your CNC machines. The Mini CNC Tool Grinding Machine, compact, precise, and powerful. Perfect for re-sharpening and small batch tool production. High-speed spindle, smart control, and accurate grinding, all in one space-saving design. Boost your workshop's efficiency with advanced CNC technology today. For more details and the latest innovations, follow the Confia team.